So the next candidate on the list will be Janet Stewart for Attorney General.
Thank you all. I just want to let you know, I was not asked to give a major speech. I was given just a couple minutes to make a few remarks, and so I will keep this brief. I want to start off by thanking each and every one of you, because Lancaster County really does it right. I've been associated with the Lancaster County Democrats for a decade now, and you're the model of how to do things well. And so I thank you for that, and I just hope that we can educate some of the other counties to get them going, because we actually have a very strong ticket this time, and we can win these races. So just to tell you a little bit about myself, I did have a contested primary, and so I've been working really hard since March, and I was very proud to get the nomination in my party. Yeah. I want you to know I'm going to work very, very hard to win in November, and I need your help. And I'd like you all to go to my website, if you can, janetstewart2014.com. You can find out more about my campaign, the issues that I'm talking about. You can volunteer if you want, you can contribute, and you can also send me an email, and I would really like to hear from you, so I will know the issues that are important to you, any suggestions you have for the campaign, because what you think is very important to me. Just to let you know a little bit about my race. For the last 20 years, we have had attorney generals who were very ambitious politically, and they had their eyes on the next office that they were going to run for, and I'm not going to do that. My opponent is also saying that he's not going to do that, but you need to know that he's 10 years younger than me, so he can change his mind if he wants to. But I won't. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be a hard-working attorney. I mean, I don't want to get involved in public policy or making statements on, wedge issues that divide Nebraskans. I'm going to be an attorney. I'm going to give legal opinions based on the law, and that's that. What else should I tell you? I was surprised when I announced my campaign that I had heard that there was a state senator, a Republican state senator in Union Campbell, who doubted whether I was even an attorney. He said something like, I'd like to see her law degree. Well, just to let you know, I am an attorney. I've been an attorney now for 38 years, and I have a lot of experience that will make me an excellent attorney general. I started my career after law school running a state agency. I was the administrator of the Nebraska Commission on Industrial Relations, so I know what it's like to run an agency and deal with the press and deal with legislatures. For the next 26 years, I was a corporate litigation manager. And what I did is I managed teams of high-performance attorneys throughout the United States of America. And that's essentially what an attorney general does. You manage a really high-performing team of attorneys that do the legal work of the state of Nebraska. After I'd been an attorney for some time, I decided to go back to school, and I got a master's in social work. And after that, my life took a different direction. And for the last 10 years, what I've done principally has been an advocate for children and their families. My passion is helping victims of violent crime, victims of child abuse, neglect, child sexual abuse, domestic violence, consumers that have been taken advantage of, defrauded by companies. And that's going to be my focus as Attorney General. And I think that's the job that I want to do, because I don't want to work for the people that can help themselves. I want to work for the Nebraskans that have no one else to be their champion. So that's my spiel. I'm hoping you agree, and I look forward to seeing you all on my way to November. Thank you.